Good morning, children. Second law of motion. Place a ball on the veranda and push it gently. Then the ball is isolated from the rest. Thus, we can say that force is an action which produces acceleration. Therefore, the second law of the motion definition, the rate of change momentum, the rate of change momentum of a body is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and takes place in the direction of the net force is called second law of motion. Once again, see children, the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and it takes place in direction of the net force. What is the momentum? Now explain children. A small bullet fired from the gun damaged the wall. Yes. Only due to its high speed. We will know that heavy truck cause more damage than bicycle. The both hit wall. This can be explained by the concept is called momentum, which is usually denoted by P. Which is usually denoted by P. What is momentum, see children? Momentum of body is product of the mass and velocity is called momentum. Momentum depends on two factors. One is mass of the object and other is its velocity. Momentum depended by two factors. One is the mass of object, one is the velocity. Newton used the phrase mass in motion to represent the meaning of the momentum. The momentum P of body simply defined as the product of the mass and velocity is momentum P is equal mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. Momentum is a vector because velocity is a vector. The SI units of the momentum, SI units is kg plus meter per second or Newton per second or Newton per second. 4. Large the net force greater than acceleration. See children, force F, force F. Different forces applied on the same object. Same of different forces. See children, gently push a block of ice on smooth surface and observe how the object speed up. In other force, how is it accelerated? Now increase the net force and observe change the speed. The acceleration is increasing. Acceleration is increasing. If the net force is larger, then acceleration is greater than. Which this is small force. This is less pushing. This is more pushing. You are pushing more, net force also more. Then the acceleration is greater. Next, large the mass, smaller acceleration. Previous one, large the net force. This activity the large the net force greater than the acceleration. This is larger the mass, smaller the acceleration. Same children. Larger mass, weight the more. Force is same on the object but different masses, different weights. Apply a force on an ice block, it undergoes same acceleration. Now take a block, the ice with greater mass, apply almost the same force on ice block which has greater mass. In both cases the object accelerated, but we can observe that second case it will not speed up, quickly as before. Why? This is mass is the more, this mass is the less. Conclusion: if the mass is larger, then acceleration is smaller. Here, both are masses same, but force are more. Acceleration is greater. Observation. Children, Newton's second law states that rate of change of momentum of the object is proportional to the net force applied to the object direction of net force. The net force F net is change in proportional to momentum by time. Momentum by time. Delta P the change of the momentum of the particles or system of the particles brought after the net force in a time interval delta T. When the symbol of proportionally removed constant inside the equation, see F net equal K into K the constant delta P by momentum